Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2020 McNair-Ballotti Undergraduate Research Symposium. My name is Abraham Pena-Talamantes. I'm the director of the McNair Scholars program and the Center for Academic Access and Opportunity at Suffolk University.
And I'm Jamie Bondar, Director of Tutoring and Peer-to-Peer Success Services in the Center for Learning and Academic Success at Suffolk University.
We are coming together as we do for the past couple of years for this symposium, joining forces between CAAO, our Center for Academic Access and Opportunity, and our Center for Learning and Academic Success in the Division of Student Success. Our symposium combines our McNair Scholars work with our Ballotti Scholars work, and we'll each talk a little bit about what this work represents.
So this year, given our shift to remote learning university-wide, we had the task of deciding how we were going to conduct this symposium, because usually this symposium is an in-person interactive symposium where we get all of our scholars together along with the rest of the university community and have a great day of learning together. Obviously, that kind of in-person learning is not happening right now, so we decided to shift to an online asynchronous format, meaning that we basically created a website and a YouTube channel on which all of the presentations of the McNair and Ballotti Scholars will appear. And we invite asynchronous comments and questions to interact with those students. We really hope that this online home of the McNair-Ballotti Undergraduate Research Symposium really provides the same learning opportunity for both our scholars who are presenting and the university community who are interacting with them here on the site.
In terms of what our symposium looks like on the McNair side, so we have a couple of McNair scholars who have conducted research. The research started in the summer. The way that this works is throughout the program, they propose their own research question. They work with the faculty mentor over the course of the summer and into the fall semester and sometimes into the spring semester. Their project entails an original question, is all fully independent. And this symposium ultimately allows them to present the findings of their work in a format that would be different, well, now especially more different than they would have had elsewhere. It is definitely a time for the students to present the work that they have done, to get some feedback in terms of where they can take their research further. And as Jamie mentioned, we do definitely invite all of you all to kind of interact with their presentations and include some feedback and some questions and comments that can definitely help them take their research forward.
With the Ballotti Scholars, their projects are a little bit different. The Ballotti Scholars work in the Center for Learning and Academic Success, and their primary function is, like all of our employees at CLAS, to tutor their fellow students. So all of their work is rooted in tutoring and peer-to-peer instruction. So for their research projects, I really encourage them to find an intersection between their own disciplinary interests and the work of the Center for Learning and Academic Success. And so you will see various representations of that intersection here. We have a scholar who is going to discuss how she is developing an augmented reality app to help with chemistry instruction, both in the classroom and in tutoring settings, or another scholar who's discussing the ways that cooperative learning can contribute to the study group work that we do at the center, or another scholar who is thinking about psychological stress and its impact on tutors themselves, thinking about, taking care of those who take care of you in terms of taking care of the tutors. So you really see a variety of disciplinary approaches to the question of, what research can you provide to the Learning Center to help us do our work better and help us support the university community more broadly. So with that, we hope that you will spend some time with these videos, interact with the students, ask comments and questions in the comments field of each one, and we hope you enjoy this year's 2020 McNair-Ballotti Undergraduate Research Symposium.